Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. You're tuned in to Living Modestly Naturally. Hi, I'm Rachel Harris. If this is your first time tuning in, welcome, welcome, welcome. And special thanks to all my returning subscribers and also all the subscribers that have come on board. I really appreciate each and every one of you. In this video, I will be making a body mist spray using preservative. Now, if you check out my recent video, I showed you a few preservatives that you can use for your mixtures, whether you're making oil-based mixture or a water-based mixture. This mixture will be water-based, and so this is the preservative that I will be adding to the mixture today, and it's Polysorbate 20 from the brand Bologna. Now, let's get started. So over here I have my essential oil and my fragrance oils. The essential oil I'll be using is lavender. Okay. And then the fragrance oils I'll be using is cherry blossom, milk and honey, and caramel vanilla. Okay, so first what you want to do is to add the polysorbate. You want to mix the oils and the polysorbate together first. So for my base note, I'll be using caramel vanilla. So I'll be adding 40 drops of caramel vanilla into this container. Take a good amount. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, and 40. All right, so that's 40 drops of caramel for the base. The middle notes will be milk and honey and lavender. Milk and honey will be 15 drops. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15. Alright. And next, for the middle note, we'll add 8 drops of lavender. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. And then, last but not least, is the top note. The top note, we're going to add 15 drops. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So as you can see, I'm getting my fragrance mixture together, and what you want to do afterwards, just kind of, I'm using a plastic knife. You can use any utensil that you use specifically for your perfumes, and just swirl it around nicely, get everything incorporated. Okay, now for the preservative. Now I'm putting enough preservative that will be useful for this container here. It's not a whole lot of mixture that I'll be making. So if you were going to make a batch mixture, you would have to, you know, increase the amount of preservative that you put, okay, according to ratio. So So with this mixture, I'm just going to put a few drops, about 5 drops of polysorbate. So one, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and then I'm going to mix really well. So you need to do this step first before you put your fragrances and your preservative into the liquid formation. So you do this first. Then you set it aside. So I'm going to set it aside here. Then I'm going to move everything out of the way for now. Then we'll focus on the next part. So I'm going to slide this over here. Okay. So now, with this here, so we got the liquids. So set this aside. Okay, so here I have 7 tablespoons, no, actually, sorry, not 7 tablespoons, 5 tablespoons of distilled water. And then I have vegetable glycerin and denatured grain alcohol. Okay, and a pipette here, and again my container where I'll be putting the contents in, and a funnel. So I'm gonna simply pour the water into this measuring cup here. Then I'm going to add 15 drops of the denatured alcohol. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. All right. Set that aside. I know I'm making a mess here. But all right. So next, I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of vegetable glycerin into this spoon here. So that's 1. Make sure I get all that product in there. Okay. 2. 3. And 4. Okay, and afterwards what you want to do is mix everything. So I'm going to take this spoon, mix everything well. Mix it well. Make sure all of your ingredients are incorporated nice and evenly. Okay, just a little recap on the polysorbate. It is a solubilizer, and it is good to use in watery mixtures. Okay, and it's good to blend in with the fragrance oils and the essential oils so that they don't separate from the liquid, because we all know that saying, oil and water does not mix. So polysorbate helps to blend everything evenly. They're so good. It's so good. It's a good preservative to use in liquid mixtures. So now that's well incorporated. Now we're going to add the fragrance mixture along with the preservative into this cup. Then we're going to continue the process, the mixing. Okay, so when you use polysorbate in your mixtures, it can last for up to 2 years. Yeah, so it's really good to use, and it's safe too. It's safe and it's effective. And you could use them for body sprays, linen sprays. I have another video coming up where I'll be showing you how I make a room and linen spray. So stay tuned for that. I can already smell the fragrance. It smells so good. Last but not least, now it's time to pour everything into the spray bottle. So I got my funnel here. Then I'm going to take the cup and hold still and pour. Perfect. Everything got in there nice. All right. So there you have it. I'm going to put the top on here and give it a little shake. Yeah. And don't worry when you see the mixture look like it's milky. As you can see, it's like a milky color there. It's okay. That just means that it's the emulsifying process that it's undergoing right now. So that's why it looks like that. It's emulsifying, so it gives off that milky color. Some people don't like that milky color, but it's all right. You know, it's good to go. So I'm gonna just store this. I usually store my things in the refrigerator, so I'll be storing this in my fridge. And so there you have it. It's a body mist, and you can use it, you know, as a refresher, you know, just to kind of give you a nice clean, fresh smell. And it's 100%, well, I don't know if it's 100%. I would say it's mostly natural ingredients, and there's also some synthetic ingredients, but it's safe. And then it's when you make your own things, it comes from you. You know, you can be creative, use whatever combinations of fragrances you like, that you prefer. You know, that's one of the things that I enjoy about making fragrances and things, is that I can just come up with my own ideas of scents that I like, you know, that's appealing to me. You know, not that there's anything wrong with store-bought stuff, but I just choose to kind of create my own scents, and you know, and have fun doing it. So have fun making your things and enjoy yourselves. And it's such a wonderful learning process to see how things like these are made, you know, where you don't have to just worry about going out and buying them, but you can see and understand like the science that goes behind it. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel if you're interested. If you stop by for the first time and you're interested in my content so far, please consider subscribing. Give me a thumbs up. Just let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Any questions you may have on this video, or even if you have questions in some of my old videos, you know, I'll be sure to get back to you as soon as I can, you know, with the response. But thank you once again, and remember, aim for modesty, carry beauty naturally, and may Jesus Christ dwell in you. And also, please stay tuned for my next video, which will be how to make a room and linen spray, also using preservative. Okay, and I have a nice combination that I came up with of a scent that I think would be lovely. And so stay tuned for that. See you all in my next video. Later.